Today, I will show you how to automate a PDF in Photoshop and print it on the Epson D1070 We already have Photoshop open, and we need to open some pictures or files that we want to edit or have already edited. You can pause the video and edit if necessary. For everyone else who has already made the edits to the pictures or files, let us start by double-checking that the sizing for both images is the same. Once you have done this, please go up to the top left of your Photoshop window and click File. Scroll down to Automate and hover over the arrow on the right of the word Automate. A secondary menu will display, and we want to click on PDF Presentation. A window will pop up and the menu list will go away. The window that pops up will be called PDF Presentation. This is where we add the two different images, or jobs, we have been editing together. Here, we will hit Add Open Files, and all the images or jobs you have open will pop up. For our example today, we only have two jobs open at this time, so we can hit Save without doing too much else that we aren't already familiar with on Photoshop. Note, for both images to be facing the same way as our example at the beginning of the video, one of the images or jobs has to be flipped upside down so that the Epson D1070 can print them in the same direction. Now, all you have to do is find where you saved the PDF in your files or on your desktop and open it. Now that you have the PDF open, you want to hit the printer in the top right-hand corner of the PDF window. The print window will pop up, and you will have to choose the Epson D1000 series from your print drivers. Next, we'll be choosing print on both sides. Then double-check the sizing of the paper to make sure it matches the sizing of your image or job. Note that the paper sizing may be in the settings section of your display. Now, you can hit the print button for our Epson D1070 We have set the driver to always pop up the print preview window once we hit print. Now, I will look at pages 1 and 2 to make sure there is an image on both of them. This is to ensure that the driver will correctly print double-sided. You can now hit print and enjoy your beautiful prints. For previous jobs or images already sized and saved, you can always print those as well without saving them as a PDF. This can be done by simply selecting them in a file or off of your desktop. Then right-click on the selected items and hit Print. The Print Pictures window will come up, and you have to select your Epson D1070 paper size, quality, and paper type. You want to make sure when the printer is double-sided, you pick the paper type that says DS at the end of it, as shown in the video. Then hit Print. Check pages 1 and 2 once again to make sure there is an image on both pages in the print preview, then hit print again. Now you have a beautiful image of your dog. If you like the content you see, please like, share, and subscribe.